5 proven strategies to make money while being broke. Being broke doesn't have to mean you can't make money. There are plenty of strategies that you can use to make money while still being broke. From finding a side hustle to leveraging your skills and resources, there are lots of ways to generate income even when you don't have much in the bank. In this article, we'll look at 7 proven strategies that can help you make money while still being broke. Have you ever thought about selling your unused items online to make some extra money? With the rise of e-commerce, it has become easier than ever to make money by selling your unused items online. From clothes and electronics to furniture and antiques, you can find a market for almost anything. Whether you are looking to declutter or just want to make some extra cash, selling your unused items online is a great way to do it. What does it mean to be broke and how can you make money? Being broke can be a difficult situation to be in, but it doesn't have to stay that way. With the right strategies and mindset, anyone can find ways to make money and get back on their feet. Whether it's taking on a side hustle or investing in stocks, there are plenty of options out there for those looking to make extra income. In this article, we'll explore what it means to be broke and discuss some of the most effective ways you can start making money today. 1. Selling unused items online. Selling unused items online is a great way to make some extra money and declutter your home at the same time. With the right tools and strategies, you can easily get rid of those old items that have been sitting in your garage or attic for years. From clothes to furniture, toys to electronics, there are plenty of ways to turn your unwanted items into cash. Whether you're looking for a quick sale or want to maximize your profits, this guide will help you understand how to sell unused items online and make the most out of it. 2. Get into freelance work and gigs. Freelance work and gigs are a great way to make some extra money and take advantage of the flexibility that comes with it. Whether you're looking for short-term or long-term opportunities, there are plenty of ways to get into freelance work and earn an income. With the right skills and knowledge, you can find freelance gigs that fit your lifestyle and help you reach your goals. 3. You gotta start a side hustle. Do you have a passion that you want to turn into a profitable side hustle? If so, now is the time to start. With the rise of digital technology, it's easier than ever to start a business from home and make money on the side. Whether it's selling homemade crafts online, offering virtual services, or creating an online course, there are plenty of ways to make your side hustle successful. All it takes is dedication and hard work. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your dream today and become an entrepreneur. 4. You could become a virtual assistant. If you're looking for a flexible job opportunity, becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect choice. With virtual assistant jobs, you can work from anywhere and have the freedom to manage your own schedule. Plus, you get to help clients with their daily tasks and take on new challenges as they arise. Virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular in today's digital world and there is plenty of room for growth in this field. 5. Take surveys and participate in focus groups. Participating in surveys and focus groups is a great way to make some extra money. Surveys and focus groups are used by companies to gain insight into their customers' opinions, needs, and preferences. By taking surveys and participating in focus groups, you can provide valuable feedback that can help shape the future of products and services. Plus, you get paid for your time. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money while helping shape the future of products and services, consider taking surveys or participating in focus groups. That'll be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe if you learned something new, and comment down below what strategy or strategies you chose from this video. Have an awesome day.